Okay, so now we're going to Akihabara.
Why are you so obsessed with the vending machine things?
Because in Akihabara there's supposed to be weird vending machines.
Last time.
We don't have.
Surely
There's
not
some.
Shinjuku, no?
I don't think I never seen. We can look around here, but I never seen them. We can go hunting. This is what we have to do. We have to hunt. Off we go. What's the address? Yeah. Weird vending machines. Do you want to take a Uber there?
Yeah.
I know. I'm gonna do this. It says he's here. It says 310. 310. Oh, over there.
Oh.
Hello. And they have the temperature up there. And they show up with white gloves, and then they carry your suitcases.
Yeah, it's amazing.
And you can just sleep if you want. And then down here they have water. Yep. And it's like probably $30. We're doing mystery vending machines now. We're just driving to Akihabara. Arigatou gozaimasu. Gomenasai. Domo gomenasai. Oh, there they are. What is it? What's it say?
Japan is the earthquake country. Are you guys ready for canned food and all the preservative food? Eat the horse meat. Let's enjoy our life.
Los Angeles wildfire damages amount to 100 trillion. The Japanese government in Tokyo should immediately pay 50 billion yen in relief money. Japan should be able to desalinate seawater and sprinkler systems to the mountains. Okay, I'm scared.
Yeah.
Ooh, this one looks good. Pink rock salt. When I was a student, I had no money at all. So I did part-time job as a lighting technician for adult video shoots. But the actresses were so beautiful that I got nosebleeds. And she said I could come in and what the hell? Let's not get that one. That one seems not.
What the heck is talking about? This is so who write this? Super Bowl, right? This one? Wait, somebody here? No.
Sorry.
I'm so scared.
Sorry.
Maybe somebody is scared.
Balls.
The explanation is Super Bowl. Don't put the lotion surround of the Super Bowl.
All I hear you say is put lotion on the balls.
Balls?
I don't like that at all. I think we should not buy this. Look, this drink looks normal. Maybe we just drink this.
What is this place? Why all the explanation is like this? I am scared. I'm so sorry. I don't like ghosts. I'm so sorry. I don't like ghosts. I really hate ghosts. I mean, human beings are terrible, but...
What's this one say?
Tokyo Prime Minister, Tokyo Mayor actually hid the money last time, 17 billion yen. That Koike and Renho was fighting. Actually, behind of that, the government money was hidden, blah blah blah. So they all those kind of, what is it called, like gossip. We won't know, but actually somebody is typing as a message and they put they use as a rap. That's so weird.
What's this say?
Popcorn. The sweet taste. You can enjoy the sweet taste.
No.
I mean, nothing happened. Don't worry. This is Japan, but it's really good.
Can we buy this phone?
Yeah. This is a long time black phone, right? Black denwa, right?
Yeah, it's cute.
That's a 1 million yen.
That's 1 million?
Yeah, they don't try to sell. I mean, they're joking.
Oh.
Yeah, it's so creepy. Let me find the 1,000. I think
When I was a student, I had no money at all. Oh,
try
that's
to
how.
buy one things maybe you pick up.
Sure,
But maybe there is a maybe even we put the money, maybe things could not come out. I don't know. Maybe.
Well, let's pick one that seems like not about Borneo and not about adult.
But everything looks so creepy.
Everything seems kind of schizo. Ah.
You know.
Let's get the coffee.
Coffee is like 1,000
What's the
yen.
bear? The bear's cute.
Very cute. It's a panda.
Well, maybe we should just get one. Do you have yen?
Me?
Hmm?
Do you know? There's 2 girls
Stop.
come to this place just as a contents. One girl is from America.
They were Tanuki's vending machine.
This is exactly, you know, it's the story.
What's that?
Exactly.
It's free real
What's
estate.
that?
I don't know. What is this?
But it's so, it's probably just like a gag.
The owner might stay there. I think so. And the
Wait.
owner write down those people who steal these drinks without paying. I don't care about the police or something, right? I'm not gonna bring you to the police. Rather than that, I have a, what is like a zzz, you know what is that?
Chainsaw?
Chainsaw. I have a big chainsaw. I'm gonna cut both of your ear and 20 of your fingers.
His windows are open.
I think he's
That's
kind
so
of
crazy
psycho
cause come over here. Cause like I was thinking the same thing. Just over here, I was telling chat at the same exact time that Tanuki was like, I think he lives up here. I was literally telling you guys, I was like, I'm pretty sure he lives here. But like, okay, his window, that one is open. But wait,
It
it is. And and looks like abandoned.
Actually, shit.
Like,
What? You quickly. Okay,
But
we
he's just
quickly
scaring us.
apologize to disturb his place, and then we will pay money to buy one thing, and then let's go.
okay. Is it just for fun? It's just for fun?
No, I think the owner definitely tried to reveal all the dirty things of the government and all the dirty things about the media and TV. And he is somebody, he knows everything. I'm very curious. What's his-
Sure, but buy something that doesn't sound like eating people, sex, anything that's sexual,
Okay.
especially like girls or anything weird. Then maybe,
This is DVD. Okay.
do you think it's all the same owner? Or it's probably multiple people. Let's get something from number 8.
Okay. No, they're talking about when they're high school, their pennies got the hair first.
No, I don't want to hear that. Try this one. 300. Stop putting money in. Get
Okay.
get one that doesn't say sex or anything weird. Yeah, we're gonna get it, and it's gonna just be a rock. Let's get it.
34?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god! Is he gonna catch us?
It didn't work.
The taxi guy?
It didn't work.
It works.
It didn't work.
It didn't work?
Shh.
Shit.
Wait.
It's a scam. Wait, so they didn't take anything?
Huh?
But money's still there. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It is not strong enough to push.
Oh, here it comes.
Okay. Oh, what the? What is this machine doing?
Shh, too
Oh,
loud.
sorry.
Shut up.
What is the machine doing? You want to change the number?
No, we're so
No?
close.
Almost? Okay, almost.
Hmm?
Almost. Scam.
Give me money back.
The timing. The taxi.
34.
Taxi was here, parking here. But
Hey.
suddenly, after we bought, suddenly the taxi left.
Hmm? Give me money back. Fine, maybe try a different one. I didn't want that one. Hmm?
It was definitely something happened. We're gonna open once we go to the bright place. I feel something here.
I don't want to touch it.
You don't touch it, I can touch it.
I don't want you to touch it.
I'll touch it.
I don't want you to touch it.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll wash the hands later.
Maybe like a rock or like a used condom or something.
bright. What do you think inside is?
I don't know. I don't like. Probably something gross. Probably something stupid like a rock. Imagine it's like a brand new iPhone.
So light, actually.
That's because it's nothing.
Nothing.
Used underwear or if it's, it might just be tissues. Like if I was gonna make a stupid vending machine like that, I would make it like something creepy looking, like a doll head or tissues, just to give people a little bit of a scare. Because I think only somebody who enjoys being scared would get something from there.
Oh.
What is it? What's that?
They put this one.
What is that?
What is that?
Fortune?
Fortune.
Ooh.
Luck. Thing.
Is it good luck?
Protect from a bad luck. And then they got some letter in it.
So maybe it's a nice
Structure.
thing. Okay, we've secured the box that we got from the previous vending machine.
The very weird thing is like they have a good luck charm. Usually you can only get from shrine. So
Sounds like a wrapper.
you need to open. You wanna open?
So this one says what?
The Mitsubishi UFJ Bank, the manager, top manager, 46 years old, Imamura Yukari. She's in charge of like whole bank of UFJ money, but she's still 50 billion yen, including the gold.
She did?
She did actually recently on the news. How she steal that kind of money? They are writing down and explaining it. This key from this box, this key she used this, and then she unlock it. So basically, the box say like all the behind the scene things we don't, the TV show, the media never say. She steal the gold necklace and diamond, everything. 銀行の管理は腰を抜かすほど甘いもの。And then they find it actually UFJ, Mitsubishi Bank, even that's a top bank, but their security is so bad. So don't use the Mitsubishi UFJ Bank anymore. All the money will be gone. Be careful.
Based. And the fortune is a good fortune. Good fortune.
Okay. Good one.
Yippee.
Yeah, your wish will come. Your lover will come. Your lost things will come
My lover
out.
will come.
Please look for somewhere lower. Your traveling is good. Your business is good, but don't show off. Don't tell anyone. Study is great, but be humble. Love, don't listen to your friends. Moving house, not now. Give birth, now good time. Sickness, illness, please pray to the God more. Your marriage, please no rush.
Yeah, I like it. Keep it. Come over here.
Okay. Okay, in the note, small note, they actually talk about the scandal. Another scandal, the biggest scandal. One of the member of SMAP, who is like most famous actor, he actually like power harassment and sexual harassment everybody, all the Fuji TV announcers. He asked the announcer to come to the toilet and he will force her to kiss. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's basically talk about the big scandal. I think the owner is somebody who really hate the medias and parties and those,
Base.
Yeah. They are kind of sending us the message.
Yeah, that doesn't slap at all. Cookies.
ちょっと待って。What's that? Cookies! We literally pay for 1,300 yen for cookies. This one you can buy from Daiso, which is $1. What the heck?
He gave us cookies.
Yeah, so what is the concept of this? We pay for his information. We pay for his cookie
Pay
information.
for fortune.
Wait, you get cookie by the way with a $10. So expensive.
And you get fortune bread. It was safe. What's the expiration on it? Oh, 7/20/25, just like it said on the box. So,
expired day 2025 7th of July. It's snack's expired day. So literally the guy is setting the snack.
yeah, and he put the expiration date.
I mean, why the guy is setting the snack with a $10, which is
It's a mystery
$1?
snack.
Mystery snack. Okay. So you can get the mystery if you pay, but the mystery is already outside of the box, and inside got the real mystery.
Yeah.
Understand? Makes sense.
It's a mystery box vending machine.
Do they
I'm
have
glad
any?
it's not a rock. Everything in there is normal, right?
Okay, yeah.
That looks normal.
Yeah, normal. Definitely normal, yeah.
Cookies. Cookies.
Yeah. Yeah. It's yeah, very famous cookie, yeah. No medicine inside.
Don't eat it.
Oh, I'm sleepy. I'm so sleepy for good night. That was actually awesome. I didn't expect it that.
That was so cool.